Here we are in Vincenzo's kitchen, making up a nice 3-bean salad, which actually has more than 3 ingredients. So I'm just going to get right to it here. On my seasonings, what I'm going to use is a half a teaspoon of parsley, a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of the onion powder. Fresh basil would be better if it's minced, but I'll use the dried because I grow it and dry it and do that. A half a teaspoon of the garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of the black pepper. And in my bean salad here, which is nice and colorful, we have a can of well-drained wax beans, green beans, cut green beans, garbanzo beans. We took a whole fresh red sweet bell pepper and we minced that down, appropriately sized, a 1/4 inch, and a whole Vidalia onion. And what we're going to do for our marinade, we're going to take a 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to take a 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, and we're going to take 2/3 of a cup of distilled white vinegar, and we're going to add those dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and then we're going to add a cup of water to that, and for add a little sweetness, we're going to throw some stevia packets in there. We're going to mix that all together, and we're going to froth that up inside our little mixer, and we're going to pour it right over top of our very nice salad. And when you're mixing this up, use a fork rather than a spoon, and then you kind of blend it together rather than smashing everything up as you would with a spoon. So there's another recipe here. This is my recipe for 3-bean salad. Nice and colorful, refreshing. Let it chill marinate over the course of 24 hours, usually overnight. And I'll use this on top of my salads, eat it as a standalone. Made some ribs and some deviled eggs today as well. And so we're going to do a little bit of eating. Alright, here's the Vincenzo's kitchen. Another original recipe. Remember to be kind to one another out there. Help your neighbor if you can, and be safe this Memorial Day weekend. Celebrate America. Alright, we'll see you.